Good morning. Hi, Neil. How are you? Chloe, Astrid, Mare. Hi. Oh, yeah. We need this. Oof. Hi. Yeah, the goal is not to trip Daddy. Just so you know. Just so you know. Hello, little Neo. How are you? What is it? It's an Astrid egg. How lovely. Who else is laid? A mare egg. We didn't get that yesterday. Look how lovely and big it is. Got some morning glory. Mare, come here, Mare. Mare, get this. There's a good girl. I know you guys copy each other. Oh, hi, Neo. You gonna help? Ready? Yeah? Oh, they can be right this height. I can talk to you. Good girl. Why don't you lay in here? Yeah, hi. This is how I clean your poo. Bring this one. Really? Hi, Chloe. such good helpers today. Neo had to peck at the poop scoop and just make sure everything was doing right. Did I do a good job? Did I do a good job? Yeah, I hope so. I hope you approve. I love good girls. Are you ready? You ready for morning snacks? You ready for morning snacks? I think your sisters are. Aren't you? Yes, you are. There you go, love. There you go, Chloe. Isn't that better? Am I holding it too high, Astrid? Is that why you sneeze all the time? So Kelly had lost her first collar, and Kelly picked her up 2 ones at Dollar Store that had reflectors on them. Well, within 24 hours, she already started to scrape the reflection part off. So Kelly has gone ahead and got what we assume is better ones on Amazon. So Callie is going to get to try on her 3rd collar with us today. Very exciting, eh? And I got a pruner trimmer, a Fiskars pole trimmer last night, because there's a tree I got to take down, and it's just too tall to do on my own in one cut. So I need to cut the branches off so it's easier to direct. So that is what I will be doing today, excitingly. Can't wait, because that's fun for me. We did a bunch of yard work yesterday. Kelly was able to rake the driveway and bit by bit get it into wheelbarrows. I moved and dumped the wheelbarrows because she's still in recovery phase of her surgery. And today, I'm going to set her on a little seat in the garden because I'm going to be rototilling it soon. But in the far end was always my parsley patch. Those who know parsley is borderline a weed. And last year not a lot came up, but this year you can see a few plants there. One in the center of the screen, another one about there. She's going to sit on her little chair and she's going to dig them up so that we can actually get them all together in a proper parsley patch. So that shouldn't be too strenuous on her. And we're going to have a fun day. Good girls. Come here. In you get, baby. I was going to give her a hint in English that it's all down the middle, but immediately she started digging there. Good girls. Good job. You found it. These girls have a pretty spoiled life. Do you guys agree? But they deserve it. Hi, Chloe. Hi, Astrid. Clean your beak before you get into the sandbox to eat. Very polite of you, young lady. Yeah. Hi. You're very cuddly and friendly today, Neo. I love it. Sorry, Mare. It's a really cute sidekick. Looks like you're trying to do a kung fu kick and kick somebody off to your side. Alright guys, hope you have a great Easter weekend. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.